Okay, so in lesson 4, shapes and parameters, we learned about what parameters are. We talked about how parameters are kind of extra, detail for your shapes. So we added the width and height. In lesson 3, we only had the x and y, the location of where the shapes are. In lesson 4, we added the extra width and height parameters. So let's go ahead and take a look at lesson 4 bubble 8, and let's see if we can solve this together. So if I hit run, we notice that, okay, well, like it says, the grass is working, and that they have added the cloud right here, but as we can see, it looks a little funny. So basically what we're asked to do now is, okay, let's go and debug this program to make the cloud wider than it is tall, just like in the image. Wider meaning left and right. And then finally, a hint, we're going to have to change two of the parameters, which one sets our cloud's width and height. Okay, so we always have access to this toolbox here on the left side, and it tells us the parameters. The first number is the x, the next number is the y location, so that's where it is. We could change the location. The next is the width, and then the height. Width, again, is how wide it is, left and right. Height is how tall it is, up and down. Okay, so, well, they put the comments here so we know exactly what each of the codes do. So, for instance, the first part, we're just drawing the sky, the blue sky. Second part is the yellow sun. Third part is the green grass. And then the fourth part is the cloud. And let's take a deeper look into this. The cloud we are filling in as white, white clouds. And then the ellipse, okay, well, the ellipse, it's 150. The x is at 150. So if we show our grid, it's going to be at 150 and 100. So the middle of the ellipse is right here, 150, go down to 100. Okay, keep in mind the coordinates are down here also. So we're not really changing where it is. We're just making the cloud wider than it is tall. Let's look at the next two parameters. The next parameter is the width and then the height. Okay, so it looks like the parameters of the width, how wide it is 100 to 100 from here to here. And the height is 200 from here to here. Okay, well, let's go ahead and change it so that the width is higher than the height. I could make this maybe like 300, but let's go ahead and do that so we can see what happens. If I do 300, it's pretty wide and it starts covering parts of it. So again, we can do that. That's really okay, but let's do what they said and let's do the two changes. So let me kind of start over, and right here, let's go ahead and just switch it. Maybe we can make the width 200, so it's 200 wide, and then we can make the height 100, so it's only 100 up and down. If we reset it and run it again, 100 up and down, 200 wide.